Fuse disconnects offer several advantages when used with variable frequency drives. Firstly, they are generally less expensive than circuit breakers. Secondly, fuse disconnects boast a simpler design, which translates to less maintenance. Fuses also provide reliable protection against overcurrent conditions, even in demanding industrial environments. Replacement of blown fuses is quick and easy, minimizing downtime. Fuse disconnects facilitate the isolation of the variable frequency drive from the incoming power supply, a valuable feature for maintenance or troubleshooting. Furthermore, many electrical codes mandate fuse disconnects for variable frequency drives to ensure adequate overcurrent protection. The widespread use of fuse disconnects by most manufacturers can be attributed to several factors. Cost savings is a primary consideration, as fuse disconnects are more economical than circuit breakers. Fuses are highly reliable, delivering consistent protection against overcurrent faults. Their simple design makes them easy to install and maintain, as there are no moving parts prone to wear or failure. Fuse disconnects are often more compact than circuit breakers, which is an advantage in confined spaces. Fuse disconnects have been the established industry standard for variable frequency drive protection for many years. Circuit breakers, in contrast, offer different advantages. A key advantage is that they can be reset if tripped, eliminating the need for fuse replacement. Some circuit breakers have adjustable trip settings, providing greater flexibility in protection. Advanced circuit breakers offer monitoring capabilities, such as current measurement and fault recording. A manufacturer might choose to offer circuit breakers to differentiate their products from competitors. Certain applications may benefit from the resettable nature of circuit breakers, particularly in remote or unattended installations. Circuit breakers are sometimes viewed as a more modern solution compared to fuse disconnects. The decision between using a fuse disconnect or a circuit breaker for variable frequency drives ultimately depends on the specific application, requirements, and budget. Both options provide reliable protection against overcurrent conditions. Fuse disconnects offer lower cost, simplicity, and reliability. Circuit breakers offer resettability, adjustability, and monitoring capabilities. Understanding these differences is critical for making an informed choice.